Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk about triggers and action. So these two things are very much important in understanding Zapier and everything. So I'll try to illustrate with a example of a good example so that you will understand what is trigger and what is action in Zapier. So triggers. So a trigger is nothing but, as you see, something has to do something to your app application. So from our previous example, um, where I was connecting Gmail with my Trello, someone has to email me to my Gmail, so that the Zapier or the automation actually starts. So that is a trigger, right? So that's the concept of trigger. So someone disturbing you or someone, there should be something happening, start like a what something should happen, or some you should get something from the outside to actually start your Zapier automation. So this is what I called, so you understand what a trigger is. So, and the next thing is action. So whenever you get a trigger, what will you do? So when someone uh, makes you angry or makes you like does something which you like or something you don't like, what those are triggers. So what would be your action based upon the trigger? You would do something, right? So that's what action is. So as you can see that whenever prospect email, so in this example, the Gmail is a trigger where the data comes in from. Like a person sends me an email to my Gmail, so that the trigger is happening there, and it passes through Zapier. And what Zapier is actually doing is an action in Trello, like creating a board in the name of the prospect or the information that I'm getting from Gmail. So this is an example of Zap where you can understand a trigger and an action. So for your kind of, like, the most important thing is like every Zapier or Zaps automation starts with the trigger. So understand that every automation starts with a trigger, and it can end with an action. So I hope you understand what is a trigger and what is an action in Zapier, so that you get you'll be able to actually understand the concept and apply it into many other applications. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.